It is raining, so looks like I'm not going to be able to bring this camera out there. So, anyways, hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be driving the eRevo 2.0 again. I realized my last video was not that great, so I'm going to be redoing that video. So, I guess I'll only be using the GoPros, not this camera. But anyways, let's get into the video. I'm trying doing a wheelie here. Oh, it did do a wheelie. Okay. Uh-oh, wasn't paying attention. Oh my god. Okay, so this is a trick that my neighbor right here figured out, or that he kind of told me about it. Something I should do. Okay, that one wasn't very good, but the first one was really good. It's okay. Well, I think that's it for this battery. Yep, that V is on right there. That V right there means that it's like low voltage or something. We're not really sure what it means, but we just know that it means to shut it off. Oh, look at all that grass tangled up in there. I'll have to get that out. All right, it says full.
Why are you staring at me? Dude, is that high as you've gone?
That was pretty high. That was awesome.
Dude, the front's coming off, right? Dude, stop! What are you doing? Did you just break that though? At all?
Alright guys, thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed, smash that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications, so you can get a notification every single time I post, which is now going to be every single Sunday at 12 in the afternoon. So you guys can get new content every single Sunday, every week. I know I haven't been good at making like good plans and sticking with them. Now I'm going to try really hard this time to post every Sunday, 12 in the afternoon, and occasionally on Wednesdays. So you just got to turn on your notifications so you get the notification when I post. But yeah, so that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching, everyone.